How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. How have you been, Manisha, ma'am?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing great, in fact, with the new name that you have given me.
Okay.
Good. Great.
So how
So,
how's your day?
yeah,
How's your day going on?
my day is going on well. I've been taking few sessions. I've been studying a bit. I've been doing my household chores. So, my day has been totally occupied with, many things around. So, yeah, I've been
So
doing things. Yeah,
quite
how's your
hectic
day?
days.
It's a hectic day. How about you? How's your day going?
Yeah, my day is going also good, and the weather is not very good because it's raining since last
Okay,
night.
okay. Oh, okay. So is it
So
getting
current,
colder?
yeah, it's getting colder, and as I'm living hostel right now, so that's okay for me. And doing a study
That's okay.
and
Hmm.
taking sessions.
Okay, right. It's good that, besides your own studies, you're taking out time to, for these sessions. So yeah,
Mm.
that's for your personal growth and development, which is wonderful again.
By the
Good.
way, how's your
Yeah.
movies are going on?
My movies, yeah, I haven't signed any movies. Mahesh, I haven't signed. I've stopped, signing movies. I'm now concentrating on, sharing my learning skills, with the learners. So I've
With a lot.
stopped, yes, I've stopped signing movies for now.
Jokes apart.
Jokes apart, yes. So jokes apart, okay. So you've got the mail and you've got the topic. So would you like to, talk about the topic or something else, or is it good to go with the topic?
Yeah, I have no issue with the topic.
No
We can
issue?
go with that.
Okay, all right. So, how about telling me your viewpoints on, this COVID thing over, economical, let's say economical health of the country. How is that? What are your thoughts on it?
Yeah, so due to this pandemic and the lockdown, which has been imposed
Mm,
twice, so yeah, it's definitely impacting a country's economical growth because every business, every the kind of activities are shutted down in last 2 years. So economic situation is getting worse day by day, and many people uh, are unemployed because of they are laid off from their organization due to a
yeah,
less work. So
true.
companies are unable to pay them. That's why they are not continuing them, and people are they are giving them VRS.
VRS, yes.
Yeah.
So most of
So
the
even
people are just getting either chucked out or they are just getting fired from their
fired
organizations.
from them. And now
Yeah.
the unemployment has been raised very fast
Mm.
in our country.
Right, right. But do you think that the only our country is going through this unemployment thing, or there are other countries as well who are going through this unemployment thing?
I would say our country is facing more this issue.
More?
because
Yeah.
because in a country we have a lot of peoples, and already
Hmm.
we didn't have much employment. Then the corona make this situation even worse.
Inverse. Yeah. So anyway, India has so much of population, and then this corona has just, yeah, added more, fuel to the fire. So
Fuel to the
yes.
fire, yeah. So
Yeah. True. True. I understand that. Now
and
that we are talking, yes, yes. Please
yeah,
say.
go ahead.
No, no, no. Please, please. It's your platform. You have to talk.
So I was telling that even government is selling public property to the private, so there will be no government job in future, more
Hmm.
government job.
That's something very, you know, that's some, I mean, some kind of issue that really needs a very thoughtful planning, that,
Thoughtful
we do
planning.
not get into, yeah, such a situation where, we all are going through a bad phase. By the
Yes.
time COVID gets better, we are not having any jobs in our hand, to look after ourselves or our
Mm.
family. So yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
true. Okay. So, with COVID thing in mind, do you think if we go to our topic and just link two things together, do you think that this COVID situation has changed the very outlook of childhood for children? Do you think that COVID has changed the outlook?
Okay. So to be honest, if I talk about the kids in my family, so they are happy because they don't need to go school every day. Even
Sorry.
they are taking online classes just as a fun because just mobile
Yeah.
is going on. They are not here, and then a teacher is picking that mobile, so not taking that much
Okay.
seriously. Apart
Yeah.
from that, they are getting promotion without any exams. So what can be
Exams. Yeah.
better for a kid that he don't need to give exam and he's
Yeah.
getting passed?
Yeah, but then how about, these kids are not going out, they do not have any other physical activity. They have so many
Mm,
restrictions that, do not go out. At the most, they can play, on their own terrace or a balcony, but the friends can't meet, they can't go out. Do you
mm,
think that this is not the kind of childhood at least we saw? This is the kind of childhood that they are, seeing. The only things that they are seeing is just electronic gadget, the
mm.
technical aspect of life, but not the real aspect of life. The natural things are away from them.
So in my opinion, what happening is that when we were kids and our childhood, there were no technologies. We used to play
Hmm.
a physical game only. We used to go out with our friends. We used to talk with our parents. We used to do everything which is real. But what
True.
this generation is doing is, whether it is lockdown or not, but most of the
Hmm.
kids are playing inside the home. They are either
Yeah.
making videos, they are either playing games like PUBG and all the things.
Yes.
Because I've seen many kids around me
Hmm.
in my
Yeah.
society that they are so busy and swamped in the playing PUBGs and online
True.
games. Even
Yeah.
they don't want to go out.
They are so actually addicted to the gadgets that they do not
And
want to even step out of the
and
house.
and the lockdown situation even helping them to do that, because
Hmm.
now no one will say them that go out and play physical games
Play physical games.
because they
True.
can't do that. So
Yeah.
even this situation is also getting worse.
Verse. Agree. Totally
Uh,
agree with you, Mahesh. Okay, now tell me, if somebody says childhood, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? What's the first picture that flashes onto your mind? That childhood
so
means this.
childhood means careless. I would say when we were kids, we don't need to take care of anything because our mother is to take care of everything.
True.
Even we don't need to take care of our food, our clothes,
Hmm.
either we
Yeah.
are getting bath or not. No,
Yeah.
no. Even when
Yeah.
we are getting sick, we don't need to take care of your father. Will
True.
take us to
No
doctor. Our mother,
responsibilities.
no responsibility, and
True.
and and nothing. We are just like free from everything. Like say that kids are the say part of God. Kids are God. Like
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. They're
so, we
God
like
sent and they are like God. So yeah,
they
we
like
actually
God.
treat them like, yeah, the
Uh,
little gods of our family.
yeah, the little
So,
God. So
so
childhood was amazing. But if I talk
childhood
about
was amazing.
our childhood
Hmm.
was even far better than this generation.
How? Tell
How
me.
that because of this technology. Just
Hmm.
remember
There
in
was
our
no
childhood,
technology.
there were no technology. We used to go our nanny's house. We used to
Yes.
play with our friends. We used to play physical games, and those games are at the verge of extinction now. They are not going to
True.
survive so
How?
long
What a good
because
thought. What a good thought.
no one is going
Hmm.
to play those games. Only mobile games are there for kids. Or
Have
one
you
or
ever
two games.
tried? Have you ever tried sharing these games with any of your nieces or nephews? Have you ever tried telling them, in case you have any nieces or nephews?
Yes, yes, I try to tell them that go and play this game rather than playing this. Yeah, play with mobile, but for a certain time you can do that.
Yeah.
Not all the time
Yeah.
you are busy with your gadgets.
Yeah. True. Okay. So, Mahesh, where were you born?
I was born at my home.
Okay. And
Uh,
where is
okay,
that? You have to tell me.
okay, so it is in Neemuch district of Madhya Pradesh and village Kanakeda. Uh,
Yes. All right. And do you
so,
have siblings or many siblings or just one sibling?
yes, I have a younger brother.
Okay, you have a younger brother. Okay. And who was the favorite of your parents? You or your brother or both? Both were the
Okay, so
favorites?
for parents, every kids is equal. They
Yes.
don't
Yes.
divide in the love or care anything.
True.
So
They
we both
don't.
are
Yeah.
equally important
So who
and
was the naughtiest?
not yes, I would say me. It's me.
You were the elder one and you were the naughtiest. So between the you two, you were the naughtiest. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. What was the favorite game that you used to play with your brother or even with your cousins or anything?
So it used to be cricket. Even I still play cricket
Cricket.
when I get time. So cricket has been
Okay.
my favorite game since my childhood.
Okay. All
Mm.
right. And any favorite place where you used to go as a vacation, to your grandparents' place or your uncle's place? Was there any place where you used to go?
Yeah, my nanny's house. Maybe we can
Okay.
say
And
maternal grandfather and grandmother.
grandmother's house. Okay. And this was in MP itself.
Yeah, this was in even just 10 kilometer far from my village. So it's
Okay.
like not very far from that.
Yeah, not very far. So it was a very quick thing. If you want to go to
Quick.
your grandmother's place, you can just tell, tomorrow I won't be with you, and you can actually just go and meet her. Oh, wonderful. That's not sound
Uh,
very far away.
and
All
even my
right.
mother has a disadvantage that they want to meet. If she want to
Yeah.
meet her parents, then we
They,
can just
yeah,
go there in 10 minutes.
yeah. That was convenient also.
Yeah.
So, yeah, true. Okay, now tell me, is there any naughtiest memory that you have that you did something very naughty or very mischievous thing that you remember, any incident from your
Okay,
childhood?
so for my childhood, so I remember one incident that it was Dashera and in my neighbor society, there were
Okay.
effigy of Ravan were made and ready to burn them. But me and
Okay.
some of my friends went there for watching that for program. But there were no people available at there, and they were alone. So what we did was we just fired the Ravan, and it was like every crackers was firing and all, and then
Wow,
we just ran away.
great. So you were the doer and you were the
Yeah,
audience, and great.
yeah.
Wow, that must be a great sight to see.
Yeah.
Did you have a good
And
laugh?
yeah, we had a laugh a lot after that incident. And still,
Okay,
even
and
we went to this society, those boys remember us that this was the guy who did this thing to us in
he's the
childhood.
guy who did it. Yeah. And did they ever tell your parents about it?
At that time, because they didn't recognize that who were they. But after that, we ourselves revealed that we were those guy who did this thing.
Yeah. Yeah. True. I understand that. Great. Yeah. And any of the bravest thing that you have done? Any of the bravest thing from your childhood that you have done?
Bravest thing, I am not able to recall any.
Nothing of that sort that you have done. Okay, anything that you remember as when you did, let's say, an act of, let's say, help for somebody or help towards somebody. Have you ever done such a thing that, at that age you did not know, but you helped somebody, even emotionally or mentally, just assisting somebody from your childhood? Do you recall any such incident where you were there for somebody, an act of
Uh,
goodness?
Sir, yeah, in my childhood when I was in school, so I used to help my classmate in because he was very weak in study and even not mentally, he was mentally
Yes,
weak even.
he was
So I used
slow. He
to
was slow. Yeah.
he was slow. So
Yeah.
I used to guide them and help in completing his homework and give
Oh,
them some
nice.
pencils and chalks. So yeah, this is the thing
Nice.
I used to do.
Nice. At that age, I think that's wonderful. That's an act of kindness that you did. So, yeah,
Mm.
even though, I mean, you might be naughty or you might be mischievous, but deep down you
Mm.
are very, very thoughtful. I think you still are very, very thoughtful person.
Yes, it's
So,
plan.
yes, yes, that's nice. Any interesting story that you have heard from your I can hear you. So you were telling
So
me something. Any interesting story that you've heard from your grandparents?
yeah, there were used to be a lot of story at
Lot
that
of
point of time.
stories.
Mhm. Our
Yeah, I know.
granny and especially elder used to tell us because in the night we used to sleep together, whether it is nanny's
Yeah.
home or granny's home,
So they
and
used to share their experience.
their experience plus some amazing story related to king, queen, and fairy tales, we can say.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this thing
And do
now,
you,
I think
yeah,
now this day these kids don't enjoy these things.
yeah. But we can try at least.
We can
We
try,
can,
yeah,
we can
we
try.
should try
Yeah,
even.
we should try. Yeah. So Mahesh, again, the session is done. The 15 minutes have just flown away just like that.
No, no.
And There is very interesting thing that I have observed about you today is that you look and sound much more confident than your last session, which
Okay.
is I would take it as an achievement. I noticed that you used few new words while conversing. So I
Hmm.
think you are working on your vocabulary as well. So well done. I would absolutely encourage you to keep doing that same work. So all I can say is that I think talking with somebody or conversing with somebody, just the way we both are doing right now, would help you. I think if you just keep working like this, I think in no time you'll be able to speak fluently. That's what your goal is basically, that you want to speak fluently, which
Hmm.
I think you will. Another one tip before I leave you would be that if it is possible for you, you can do mirroring. So keep
Okay.
mirroring yourself when there is nobody, you can go anywhere, or just if there is a mirror in front of you, you can just talk to the mirror, imagining that there is another person and you can have a dialogue. So that way you are not very conscious, but at the same time, your facial expressions, your body language, how you are standing, talking, smiling, looking. Are you nervous? Are you jittery? Are you not? So these are the things that will help you to become more confident and fluent when you speak to others next time. So this is the
Sure.
one tip that I can give. And fantastic. I think you sound and look much more confident. Just keep talking, just speak. And that's all I can tell you. So talking is something that would help you, polish you.
Yeah,
That's
same here, and it was nice talking to you.
same here, Mahesh. You have a fun-filled day ahead. Take care. Okay.
Take care.
Bye-bye. Yeah, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.